Mushamanio wa abunge na atongoria a kodio gitongorio ni Raila Odinga, Kalonzo Musyoka na Moses Wetangula ukinyanirie kwa murithio kwa abunge acio. Abunge acio ni hamwe na Gideon Mung'aro, Mustafa Idi na aria makoretwo makigwatanira na ngwataniro ya Jubilee. Eri acio hamwe na Hatib Mwashetani, Mohima Masud na Zainab Chizuga ni meheretio kamiti-ini ya mihango bunge-ini.
The coalition member parties resolve to take action to whip members who do not adhere to party and coalition positions and continue to fraternize with the Jubilee administration.
Oho kodi ni reganite na mito ya gucenjia muthe wa githurano kinene giukite na kiria kiraririo mweri wa kanana mwaka turorete. Abunge amwe hamwe na speaker wa bunge Justin Muturi makoretwo magithangania uhotekeku wa githurano kiu gutafanio mweri-ini ucio.
We will stand by the constitution in regard to the date of elections. The constitution set August as the date of elections after listening to Kenyans from across the political divide. August shall remain the date of elections.
Mihango-ini ya wandikithia wa aikia a kura kodi irenda mashine cia wandikithia ucio kuongererwa. Ningi ni irenda kamiti ya githurano IEBC kuongererwo kigina niguo kwimotithia utabania githurano kinene giukite.
The IEBC must deploy 1 BVR kit to each polling station as opposed to 1 kit per ward. IEBC must make it easy for people to register and not an impediment to the same registration.
Ngwataniro iyo ya kodi ningi ni thingiririe thirikari irekererie kigina kiria kiigagirwo ciama cia kiuteti. Thirikari nayo ni orotirwo mathina maria magumeire bururi.
Our security remains uncertain. The economy is underperforming. Corruption is rising. Taxes are going up with no improvement in the provision of services.
Ngwataniro iyo ningi ni uritie thirikari gucokia wira murugamiri munene wa kambuni ya maguta ya National Oil Corporation na uria wiriga gufutwo wira. Ngiribotira Inooro TV ritwa riakwa na Macharia wa Gachuru.